Let's take a look at how to replace broken or missing stitches. In this example I have three different types. First, a break in straight stitches. Second, a break in straight stitches next to a seam. And third, a break in zigzag stitches. Let's measure how many stitches per inch the zigzag is. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 stitches per inch. 8 peaks, 8 stitches per inch. As for the straight stitches, we know they're 7 to 11. Now, you want to oversew your broken or missing zigzag stitches by about a 1/4 inch before and go a 1/4 inch after. Don't ever go too much. If they broke before, you're probably going to have to remove them and redo it in the future. For a straight stitch, an inch before and an inch after is the absolute minimum I'd recommend. And then when you've got a seam, it's one thing to go the inch before, but it's impossible to go an inch after. So what we'll do with that example is we'll backstitch an inch. So with the zigzag, you want to set up the machine so it's approximately the same width as well as the same stitches per inch. And I'm going to use a contrasting color so you can see it in this example. So there it is. In reality, I went about 1/3 of an inch before and about 1/3 of an inch after. For the straight stitch, I'm going to go more than the minimum inch, as I never find that's enough. And then adjacent to the seam, again I'll start more than an inch away, but I'll sew all the way to the seam, and then because I can't go past it, I'll simply turn the work around and back up 1 inch. Perfect. Well, I hope that was some help to you. See ya.